In this video, I will compare the advertised promises of Isatree with the harsh reality reported by actual customers. When you look at their marketing, especially the YouTube commercials, you see an elaborate and highly impressive ceiling night projector that purportedly transforms an entire room into an immersive experience. However, when we contrast this with consumer feedback, a massive disconnect emerges. While the ads suggest a wide-scale projection, buyers report receiving a cheap device that only projects a tiny, still round picture that is nearly impossible to see. One reviewer mentioned that for over £35, they received an item they valued at no more than £3, highlighting a significant trade-off between price and actual quality. The data from Trustpilot paint a clear picture of this electronics store, which currently holds a low rating of 1.7 stars. The comparison between the store's claims and user experiences reveals a pattern of disappointment. For instance, a battery product was sold with the promise of extending phone life, but users found it was actually just a basic charger that functioned as a gimmick. The standout feature of most reviews is the term false advertisement, especially regarding a seascape projector that was supposed to project fluid images around a room, but only provided tiny, non-moving cards. It is clear that the use case for this store is one to be wary of, as nearly all 21 recent reviews warn of items being nothing like what was shown online. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Let us know in the comments if you have encountered similar issues with online electronic stores recently.